How to fix the application was unable to start critical error in Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to change system locale. For that, press Windows plus S on your keyboard. Now you need to type in Control or simply select Control Panel from the recent list. From this control panel items, locate region and click on it. From this window, click on Administrative tab at top right and click Change System Locale. Now you need to simply select the correct region from the drop-down menu and then click on OK button. After that, you need to restart your computer and check if the issue is resolved. If not, you need to press Windows plus R on your keyboard. And here, you need to type CMD and press enter on your keyboard. And here you need to simply copy paste the following command. First of all, you need to simply copy this command and then paste it on your control or the command prompt section and press enter on your keyboard. Now again, you have to re-enter the other command. Copy it and then paste it on your command prompt section. And press enter on your keyboard. And after that, you need to restart your PC. And that's it. The solution should help you fix the critical error. If the issue persists, let us know in the comments and we will assist you further. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day.